There's no reason to buy felted beads when you can have all the fun of making them. Needle felting beads is super easy. I like to use any of our wool batting for this. It's best to pull off a long, narrow strip, lay it flat on your felting surface. Start by rolling a very tight tube from one end, and then tuck in the sides. Tuck and roll and tuck and roll. Pause to needle felt just to help hold your pieces together. You can use a medium gauge needle here or a fine one, it doesn't matter. Just keep rolling and keep your wool as tight as possible. When your bead is about the right size, tear off any excess wool and immediately needle felt down the very end. When I'm forming shapes like a bead or a ball, I really like to use a cluster of 42 triangles because it gives a gradual compaction over time. And when you want to make something really round, the best approach is to constantly turn it and move it to needle felt it from different sides and different angles. Just keep poking away with your cluster of 42 triangles and you'll have a nice firm bead in no time. A great tip is when you want all the beads the same size, is to needle felt something to the size you want, get an average weight, and then weigh out your wool.